Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to share your Amazon Prime membership with your family in 2025. Imagine giving your loved ones access to perks like free shipping, Prime Video, and more, without them needing a separate subscription. Stick around because I'll walk you through every step quickly and clearly. First, start by logging into your Amazon account at amazon.com. Make sure you're using the account that already has an active Prime membership. Once you're signed in, hover over Account and Lists at the top right corner and click on your account. This will take you to your main account settings. Next, look for your Amazon Families. This is the hub where you can manage family sharing. Click on it to access your family settings. Now it's time to add a family member. Select the option to add new members. You'll have the choice to add an adult or a child, depending on the type of access you want them to have. Adults can share all Prime benefits, while children will have limited access. After choosing the type of member, enter their name and email address. Double-check the emails to make sure it's correct, otherwise they won't receive the invitation. Next, you'll see a list of Prime benefits you can share. This includes things like free 2-day shipping, Prime Video, and more. Select the benefits you want your family member to enjoy. Finally, click Agree and Continue, then Send Invitation. The person you invited will get an email with instructions on how to join, and once they accept, they'll immediately start enjoying your Prime benefits. And that's it. Sharing Amazon Prime with your family has never been easier. If this guide helped you, give this video a thumbs up, subscribe for more quick tutorials, and hit the notification bell so you don't miss our latest tips. Thanks for watching, and happy streaming.